Installing the Canvas Student app on an Android device. We'll start by going to the Play Store in the usual way. And searching for Canvas Student. There we go. Select any one of those hits. And there it is. We'll just tap the Install button here. And await the install process. You can see the little pacifier in the upper left-hand corner there, keeping you aware of the progress of the installation. And once the installation is complete, you just click Open. Find My School. And search for the San Diego Community College District. Since our Canvas system serves all colleges and continuing ed. There we are. And then log in the usual way. You can select a new theme if you like. And there you are. You now have access to your Canvas dashboard and can perform most student necessary tasks in Canvas through the app.